Hey there, thanks for checking out Detangle. Let's dive in, do a quick overview of what Detangle does and how you can use it to make sense of legal documents. So first thing you're going to do is grab a PDF, a Word doc, plain text file, anything like that, and you're going to drop it into Detangle. You just need the document and you're going to drop in an email address. There's no accounts to sign up for or anything like that. You just need those two things and you're good to go. After you upload the document, you'll be given your detangled document and you'll have some powerful tools to understand what's happening in your legal document. So first up, we've got a summary here. So this is typically 3 to 5 sentences, maybe a few bullet points. So you have an immediate overview of what's happening in your document. Next up is a favor scale. So generally, a legal agreement always favors one party, usually the initiating party. And the favor scale shows you who the document favors and what clauses in the document weigh more heavily towards which party. Now, before we jump into these next few features here, you'll see this perspectives bit. So many contracts are essentially negotiations between two parties, and a core part of negotiating is knowing the strengths and weaknesses of each side. And this multi-party perspective lets you see that very thing, right? So next is questions for your attorney. So Detangle isn't a complete replacement for working with an attorney on legal matters. It sort of augments that relationship. And one way that we do that is helping you know what to ask your attorney in the context of your specific document. So you can easily swap back and forth between that on any of these features. Next up is problematic points or potentially problematic items. So when you're staring at paragraphs of legalese, it's easy to gloss over a lot of that, including the parts that can actually be really damaging to you. This includes omissions, right? So things that the contract doesn't mention at all, and those can create some pretty problematic gray areas down the road. Then we have money matters. So the vast majority of time, a legal document references money in some way, but those items are usually sort of sprinkled throughout a document and they're very easy to miss. Things like pay schedules, late fees, interest rates, penalties, things like that. And we pull all of those into a single place so that you don't miss them. And then finally, we have a paragraph by paragraph sort of document simplifier. So we take each paragraph of your legal document, remove the legal jargon, and then translate it into something that us mere mortals can fully understand. So that's Detangle. Within seconds, you have a clear understanding of even the most complex legal documents, saving you hundreds or thousands of dollars and days of back and forth with lawyers just to get a full understanding of an agreement. And it's available for a single fee per document. No subscriptions, no accounts that you'll forget about. You just pay the fee to translate or detangle the document, and you're good to go. So head to Detangle.ai to start detangling your documents today. Thanks for checking it out.